Welcome to Samba Samba. Enjoy the video.
You start by confirming prerequisites. VS Code installed and the Snowflake SQL Tools extension available. Once done, make sure your Snowflake account, role, warehouse, database, and schema exist and you have a user with correct privileges. Next, generate a key pair or prepare username/password and place credentials in a secure file or credential manager. Then open VS Code and install the extension. This gives you the connection UI and command palette actions to begin configuring a Snowflake connection. You now configure the connection within VS Code. First, open the command palette and choose Snowflake. Add connection. This prompts fields for account, region, and virtual warehouse. Then enter database, schema, and role so your session starts in the right context. Choose authentication method. Upload your private key or paste credentials. Once fields are complete, run the immediate test connection. This verifies network, account name, and auth. If it succeeds, save the profile to your VS Code settings or workspace configuration for quick reuse. You finish by opening a SQL file, selecting the saved Snowflake profile, and running a simple select to confirm results. Once the query returns, use the output pane to inspect results and the extension's query history to debug performance or permissions. Make sure to save connection profiles in workspace settings if working in a team. If something goes wrong, first check authentication details, key permissions, and local time sync. Then verify firewall or VPN. That single troubleshooting tip resolves most connection failures.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you.